So when you apply the Bakuchi Taila or Avalguja Taila or Avalgujadi Lepas, so they used to stimulate the melanoblastic cells to do its normal functions. Okay, so this stimulation by the oil or the churna or the Lepas, they leads them to from exude the pigment, which is gradually diffuses into decolorized area, which gives the pigmentation. So Bakuchi has a specific irritant action on the skin and mucous membrane. So Bakuchi is having specific irritant action on the skin and mucous membrane. On applying the oil on leukoderma, the skin becomes reddish and occasionally blister may occur, but it is not permanent. So at that time, particularly for a week or 10 days, so it may the blisters may be present, but it is ulcer will not. So okay, but it does not create any ulcerations in the normal color of the skin. The oil acts on leukoderma by activating the melanoblastic cells of the skin, and it is useful in all types of skin diseases. So vitiligo. So vitiligo is also known as leukoderma. It is a type of skin disorder in which the white patches are appeared on the skin surface. The symptom is white patches. The symptom is white patches. So it is mainly caused due to the attack of immune system. So on the immune system they used to attack. So by that it and reduces the melanin the production. So by when it is reduces, it is going to produce that white patches. So the treatment is mainly of Shodhana and Shamana, and the Rasaushadhis are also herbal and mineral drugs are we're going to use. Some of the symptoms of vitiligo: the white patches on the skin, premature graying of the scalp hairs, premature graying of the eyelashes, loss of color inside the mouth. So these are some of the symptoms of vitiligo. So these are some of the pictures before treatment and after treatment. So there is the Shvitra cases in our hospital also. We have treated so many skin cases. So there we have taken the study that is a simple, the Avalgujadi churna we have collected. So we have made a fine powder. So that powder is mixed with the gomutra. So you can collect the fresh gomutra and you have to filter around about 15 to 21 times. You have to filter the gomutra. So after that filtering that gomutra, you can mix that gomutra to the that is Avalgujadi churna, so that the lepa, it should not be too thick or too thin. If it is thin, when you apply, when it comes in the lower side, so when it comes, so there also it changes the color at earlier stage, that is redness. Then the normal color of the skin, it will not alter. But when there is an vitiation, that is the color, the white, the patches where there only it produces, it stimulates the melanoblastic cells and helps in correction of the normal color of the skin. So that you can take the patient, especially in early morning, ask the patient to take bath, and after that you can prepare the lepa. You have to take the precautions that the lepa should not be too thick or too thin. Okay, so after that, taking the bath, you can apply the lepa over the affected area and ask the patient to expose to the sun rays, that too particularly in early morning. So the morning around about 6:30 to 7 o'clock, at that period, so ask the person to expose to the sun rays. So after that, after 45 minutes or 1 hour, so ask the person to take the bath. So 2 times in a day you can ask the patient to do. So definitely, which will cure the condition called Shvitra. So these are some of the pictures, the before treatment and after treatment. So this is after 40 days. So there will be 70% of melanocytes. There is melanoblastic cells they used to stimulate. So it is during the treatment, and after 60 days, you can observe the difference in the white patches. Okay, I will share the pictures. So here you can observe. So actually these pictures I have taken from the internet. So see the 10/4/2017. So they have started the treatment and they have ended the treatment in the 27/4/2018. This is before and after treatment. this is almost 1 year. So as the skin diseases which will take more time to cure. So before treatment, the person is having the white patches over, especially in the back region. So even in the hands, you can observe. See, after 1 year, the using the Ayurvedic medications. So especially Abalguja was one of the preparation. Definitely, any of the preparation which are prescribing, definitely it contains the Bakuchi. So just you observe the difference there, the white patches on the back region, so it is almost disappeared. So here in the in the Kati Pradesha, you can observe some still it is present. Okay, after 1 year, the treatment, before and after treatment of the Abalguja. So this is another picture you can observe before treatment and after treatment. After 4 months, the usage of Ayurvedic preparations. So how much the white patches are there, they are going to reduce. Okay. So this is another pictures. So you can observe about almost the scalp region, it is covered. So over the eyes and mouth, so all the part. So the white patches are gradually, it reduces. So after 4 months, so it reduces. So this much percentage of it is reduced. So this is another picture. So Vitiligo, it is Ayurvedic treatment. Before treatment and after treatment. So it is after almost it is completely cured. Completely cured. So here you can observe a white patches. So this is before treatment. After 6 months, you can observe. So it is almost all, it is disappeared. It gets the normal color of the skin. Okay. So therapeutic uses, Bakuchi. So that you can take for Switra, that Abalguja Bija Churna plus Gomutra. So this Abalguja, some the Nigantukaras mentioned because of some irritation. So it produces some, it may cause some blisters. So that's why they have mentioned about Shodhana of the Bakuchi, that you collect the Bakuchi Bija and you can keep in a, you can keep in a Gomutra for 7 days. So every day you can change the Gomutra. So this is one procedure, and another procedure you can take the Gomutra, that is a Bakuchi Bija, and you can keep in a Ardrakasvarasa for 7 days. So every day you can change the Ardrakasvarasa. After the 7th day, so you can take it out, you can wash with the water and you can dry it in a, you can dry it, then you can make a churna and you can store it, and that is used. And the preparation, simple, the Abalguja churna, you can take and you can mix it with the Gomutra and you can apply. You can prepare the lepa and you can apply over the affected area. That is in case of Shvitra. And another the preparation called, this is the classical preparation, the Kwata prepared from Abalguja, Amalaki and Kadirasara. Kwata prepared from Abalguja, Amalaki, Kadirasara. You can administer internally, so will cure the Shvitra. So along with internal administration, also you can apply the external application is also beneficial. So it will quickly helpful in curing the conditions. So along with the internal administration, also you can use the external applications. So in case of Kushta, the churna prepared from Somaraji. So already I have mentioned Somaraji is a synonym of Abalguja or Bakuchi. Soma, that is